Is audio from your Roku out of sync with the video that you're playing? Worry not, we know just what you need to do to get rid of this issue. Stick around till the end of this video and follow all the steps that I mentioned, as either one of them just might work for you. One of the more critical reasons as to why audio and video on your Roku are out of sync is a damaged HDMI cable or a port. Physical damage, rust, wear and tear can all mess up communication between your Roku and your TV, which will in turn result in audio sync issues. And so, it's imperative that you run a thorough check for any such damage on your cables as well as the respective ports on your Roku and your TV. In case you find the cables damaged in any such manner, opt for a replacement cable, preferably from a reputed brand. The parameters to keep an eye on when purchasing a HDMI cable is its version and the length of cable. Choose cables that are less than 2 meters in length that support HDMI 2.0 or above. If you find the HDMI port in use with your TV to be damaged, switch the connection to a different port and make sure to change the input settings on your TV as well. On the other hand, if it's the port on your Roku that's damaged, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do other than to get it fixed from an authorized technician. Now, if you have been experiencing audio sync issues after messing around with the settings on your Roku, then chances are that the issue might have stemmed from toggling on the volume mode settings on your Roku. The volume mode settings are known to cause audio sync issues like this, so you're better off disabling them. To disable volume mode on your Roku, press the star menu button on your remote while playing content like a movie or a show. Then select volume mode and toggle it off. Once done, restart your device and check if your issues persist. A stable and sound network connection with decent enough speeds and latency is vital for the proper functioning of your Roku device. Fortunately though, you can easily check for issues with your network by connecting a different device to that same network, like your phone, and simply browsing the internet. Heck, check out our channel and subscribe while you're at it for more Roku content like this. If you're having issues navigating the internet, then your network might be at fault here. Pause cycling your internet router can fix this issue to an extent. All you need to do is unplug the router from its power source and plug it back in after a minute. Your router should now be refreshed. You could also switch the network on your Roku to a different Wi-Fi band. Roku devices support both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, so you can easily switch between them if you're facing issues with either one of them. To change the network on your Roku, open the Settings tab and select Network. Then choose Setup Connection and select Wireless. Now select a different band other than the one that you've been using and type in the password. Once you've successfully switched the connection, check for the audio sync issue now. The ultimate fix for issues on your Roku, including the audio sync issue, is to reset your device to its factory defaults. By factory resetting your Roku, all of its saved settings and data gets completely wiped out. And this data might include any potential bugs that might have been the root cause behind your Roku having audio sync issues. To factory reset your Roku, head over to the Settings tab and select System. Now navigate to the Advanced System Settings tab and select Factory Reset. Confirm your selection by typing in the code. Once the device has been reset, proceed to set it up once again from scratch and check if your issues persist. And that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about in this video regarding fixing a Roku that has audio sync issues. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Roku content like this.